Kilauea, Hawaii's magnificent active volcano, is more than just an eruption of molten rock from deep within the earth. The molten red rivers of dark, crusted lava flowed slowly toward the cool blue waters of the Pacific Ocean, creating new land while destroying everything in its path. This is a site that has long mesmerized visitors. Houses quickly burned to the ground, a reminder that volcanoes take no hostages. Magnificent rainforests were no match for this unstoppable 20-foot-high wall of lava. Kilauea is an awesome force, a force that man has not been able to conquer and perhaps never will. As you walk through a rainforest, you are in another world, a world that is serene, where peace fills your heart like a gentle trade wind, and the scent of ginger blossoms fill the air. Storm clouds begin to gather. Waterfalls come alive and cascade through the rainforests. A rainbow and the start of a new day. This is Hawaii in all of its splendor. Magnificent storms, erupting volcanoes, and beauty beyond compare. The Hawaiian Islands, paradise on earth.